we'll guide you through how to use VS Code on Chrome. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type VS Code and look for the Visual Studio Code extension. Once you find it, click on Add to Chrome and confirm by selecting Add Extension. This will install the VS Code extension directly into your browser, allowing you to use it just like the desktop version. After installation, you should see the VS Code icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on it to launch the application. You'll be prompted to log in with your Microsoft account, so make sure you have your credentials ready. Once logged in, you can start coding right away. The interface is similar to the desktop version, with a file explorer on the left, a main editor window, and a terminal at the bottom. You can open folders and files by clicking on the Explorer icon and selecting Open Folder. Choose the directory you want to work in, and all its contents will be accessible in the editor. You have access to all your usual commands and shortcuts, plus you can install extensions just like you would on the desktop app. To do this, click on the Extensions icon in the sidebar, search for the extension you need, and click Install. This setup is perfect for quick access and coding on the go without needing a full software installation. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.